Hello students, this is your creative writing class. Today we will solve exercise 10 from book 4. Let's get started. Here you can see a part on page number 87. Look at the picture of a farm. Describe it in detail. First of all, you will describe about the land. There is a large plot surrounding the farmhouse. The land is well organized into different parts. Fences are used to divide the land into the different parts. In one part, animals are kept. In another part, different crops are grown. Now about the farmhouse. The farmhouse is in the middle of the plot. The farmhouse is simple. It has flat roof, one door and window. From the window, the farmer can see the animals. About the animals. We can see 3 animals in the farm, 2 sheep and 1 calf. The sheep look more round and fat than the calf. They are standing quietly. About the crops. There are different crops growing in the farm. There are neat rows of vegetables just outside the farmhouse. They are surrounded by fence. About its activities. What types of activities are done on the farmhouse or on the farm? The farmer is in the farmhouse. He is sitting on a chair using the computer. There is also a helicopter above spraying water on the ground. B. One day Ronnie the cow from Happy Farm meets Tommy the horse from Joy Farm. They have not seen each other for a long time and so decide to chat about their lives at the farm. Complete their conversation. Hello, my friend, I haven't seen you for a long time. How are things with you? Just so. I have been very tired these days. What happened? Now, Ronnie is answering. My master's plowing machine is spoiled. So he uses me to do it myself the entire morning. Tommy, I am sorry to hear that. In fact, I am in a similar situation. Each morning, the farmer and his wife harness me and use me to plow the fields. I am sick now. Ronnie, oh, I think you should confirm that farmer gives you enough food to eat at mealtime. Moreover, you should take rest in the evening. Tommy, I see. Thank you for your advice. I will do that. I hope your master will be able to get his machine fixed soon. Good luck to you. Bye. C. Look at the following pictures. Write one or more sentences about each picture using the helping words and phrases given. Where does milk come from? Number 1. Helping words: cow, farm, meadow. The cows are in the farm. They are eating grass in the meadow. You can see from the picture. 2. Again, you can see the picture. Helping words: farmer, feed, healthy. The farmer takes care of the cows. He feeds them enough and keeps them healthy and fit. 3. Helping words: milk, fresh, buckets. You can see from the picture. Every morning the farmer milks the cows. He gets 3 buckets full of fresh milk. 4. Again, you can see the packing of milk. Helping words packed, workers process. The farmer sells milk to the factory where milk is processed by machines, then workers put the milk into packets. 5. Here is the picture of a supermarket. Helping words flavor packets supermarket. There are different flavors packets available in the supermarket. The people select their packets according to their taste. 6. Here you can see a child drinking milk. Helping words children drink breakfast. In the morning, children drink milk and enjoy breakfast. Milk is a perfect diet for children. D. Writing task. Imagine a day in the life of a farmer. Use these questions to guide you. A day in the life of a farmer. 1. At what time does a farmer's day start? Answer. Farmer's day starts at dawn. 2. What happens after breakfast? Answer. After breakfast, he goes to his farm to collect eggs, milk the cows, and to water the crops. 3. What are the daily duties? Answer. His duty is to feed the animals, check them from illness, cleans the farmhouse. 4. What is most important on the farm? Answer. The most important thing on the farm is that animals and crops should be healthy. 5. How does the day end? Answer. The day ends with the cleaning of barn and feeding to the animals. Now, with the help of the guidelines, write a short story of at least 100 words on a day in the life of a farmer. Give your story a suitable title. The title of this story is A Day in the Life of a Farmer. A farmer spends a very busy life. He gets up early in the morning. He goes to the farm to collect eggs from hens. Then he milks the cows and waters the crops. His duty is to keep the animals and crops healthy. He uses spray to keep the crops insect free. He cleans the farm. The most important thing for him is the health of animals. His day ends with the cleaning of barn and feeding the animals. E. Practice in creative writing. You are about to own a big orchard. You are now planning the use of your orchard. What kind of trees do you want to grow in your orchard? How will the plants be arranged? Where would your house be situated? What kind of new machines will you use in your orchard? What other facilities do you have in your orchard? Now draw a picture of your plans for the orchard with the help of these questions. I have a big orchard. I have planned to use orchard for plantation of trees and shrubs. I want to grow fruits like apples, oranges, bananas, and cherries. I have decided to make groups of different plants or trees. My house would be at the corner of the orchard from where I would be able to see my trees. I will use special type of tractor in my orchard. My orchard includes any facility focused on growing tree bearing fruits. Orchard reduce heating and cooling costs, reduce pollution, take carbon dioxide, produce oxygen. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.